Welcome back to another episode of Constantly Fixing My Broken Cars. We're gonna hopefully get the Fiero back running. Got the injectors, so 2 weeks, it was long enough of a wait for this. So hopefully by the end of this video, this car will be running again until something else goes wrong with it. But hey, one part at a time, right? One part at a time. So it took like ridiculously way too long to get that piece. Not sure why. I guess things are a little goofed up again with shipping. Looking at the engine here, looks like it should be fairly easy actually to get this fuel rail off. Just gotta move some of these wires out of my way, but they put quick neck fittings here, which I guess from the factory there would be anyway. So I don't even think there's fuel pressure in it, but I'll make sure there isn't. Pop these lines off here, and like I said, one center bolt here, 1, 2 over there, 2 over here should be able to lift the fuel rail. All right, I don't even know if I need to do all that. I might be able just to get away with that bolt. Maybe, I don't know, I have to see. First time taking the fuel rail off this engine, so I'll have to see what I need to do. But I just need to get to this injector, so I might be able to just do it by removing only a couple things. But I guess let's get started with disconnecting the fuel lines here. So yeah, go grab some gloves and stuff and rags, and got fire extinguishers. Check, fire extinguishers are all ready to roll. All right, like I said, I'm pretty sure there isn't any pressure in the rails here. I just had it just a little bit. Actually more than I thought. The car's been sitting a while, so that's good. Yes, I know the other injectors aren't leaking. This, the one just got stuck shut. Okay, I think that should be good. Something annoying I just noticed. This piece here, which was not added by me, which holds, I guess, the map sensor. I guess that's what that is there. It's kind of blocking the, the bolt down there where the other fuel rail fastener is. So that's kind of an annoying thing that I have to remove. I'm gonna have to find a better place for this, but just for now, I'm gonna have to remove it. So, all right, cool. That takes care of that. Actually, you know what? Probably before I do that, I should probably disconnect these lines. Actually, on second thought, I don't even think I really need to remove the lines because it doesn't make a difference. Okay, that one's out. And, okay, cool. Alright. Let's see if I can lift up on this door. I'm not sure if I have to take the other side off or not. Nope. No, I do not. Lift it right up. Oh my god. Oh, wow. No wonder. Oh my god. Look how disgusting everything looks on this injector. A lot of stuff built up around there. I don't know if that's oil or what. Man, it definitely don't look good, does it? Look at this. Oh my god. Well, a little quick comparison. We got the old and the new. Big difference. Yeah, of course. Now, something that does concern me about this injector is it was a $20 injector. $20, can you believe that? Off Rock Auto. I'm not sure how far $20 injector is going to get me, but probably a lot further than one that doesn't work at all, so try it. So it should be all good. I got the new injector in, and let me tell you, every single injector needs to be replaced on this engine, unfortunately. I just don't have the funds right now, and it just doesn't make sense to replace them all with stock injectors when I know I'm going to be needing bigger ones anyway. But all these other two here, the O-rings and everything, they were pretty nasty. I think they'll be all right for now, but 6 new injectors are definitely needed for this at some point. But at least for now, we have the one that needed fixed. So let's fire up the engine, make sure there ain't no leaks anywhere. Pray to God, and hopefully that did fix the issue, and if not, then well, we got some wiring to do. also good. Cool. So I'll let the car warm up here. And that way I'm going to take it for a ride. That's the only way to really know. So make sure everything's running good. And I mean, I'm hoping it runs better now. It should. It definitely sounds better. It sounds right-ish. So I'm going to do a couple little drive-bys. Nothing crazy, just to see how it sounds. Just, you know, a little casual stuff. Car's still probably a little cold, so. So yeah, man, hey, that works out pretty good. Actually, it does run a little bit better. But it makes me wonder how much power is really being left on the table there if that whole side of the engine, like all the injectors are all goofed up. It really makes me wonder. It does run a little bit stronger now, so that's good. There's definitely a lot of mysteries to this car I've yet to figure out. But I guess one step at a time. But at least it makes me happy that it's running. Now, the only thing I gotta figure out, I don't know, there's gotta be something loose on the motor mounts or something, because every time you hit the gas, you just feel this thud if you let off quickly. I gotta go look at everything. I have no clue how any of this is in here, but I do believe something's loose somewhere, somehow. I just have to look. But yeah, so far, so good. And at least it's running again. Car's running again, so makes me happy. Nothing else I can really do today. It's not as warm as it says it was gonna be, but maybe I can go enjoy a little drive now, ease my mind just a little. So anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, share with everyone you know. If you want to see more content like this and you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Keep a lookout for the next true car enthusiast video.